Hi friends! Considering CHAKA Couture? Well, here's one more reason that becoming a designer is so smart. I'm Christine Widfeld, CEO of CHAKA Couture, and in all my years in direct sales, I've never seen a quick start program as attainable and rewarding as our new designer debut. Here's the scoop. Join CHAKA Couture. It's just $99 US or $127 Canadian plus tax and shipping. Then share our revolutionary DIY decor with your friends and on social media. When you hit our new lower targets for monthly sales in your first full 3 months, you can earn over $150 in US retail value in free products. It's easier than ever. Plus, when you sponsor a new designer and they start selling too, you can receive even more free products. Bring as many friends, coworkers, neighbors as you wish, and receive $50 in US retail value in free products for each eligible new designer. Choose any products you love as our thanks for your smart start in selling and sponsoring. That's the power of Designer Debut. That's the fun of CHAKA Couture. That's the possibility in you. Additional program requirements and details apply, so talk to your CHAKA Couture independent designer to find out more and make your debut as a designer today.